Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got our gas tank here, we got our bed here, we got our bed all set up, ready to go, ready to start working on. And I also got the gas tank down here so that way we can start sanding it all and pulling the gas out, putting it in a different gas tank so that way we don't blow this thing up. And then as you can see here, we got our trim pieces still on. I'm gonna remove all these trim pieces, the upper and lower ones, so that we can go ahead and start pulling, or not pulling, but like sanding the paint off, seeing how many holes and whatever we need to do to this thing to make it look better, because right now it's got holes and rust everywhere. So let's go ahead and get to work. Alrighty guys, so we got this little pump siphon type deal here. We got our hose in our gas tank, and I got my brother here pumping, pulling all the gas out of the gas tank. It's a pretty neat deal here. All you gotta do is plug it in and pump in, and all the gas comes out. So we just had to grab a new fuel tank, as our other one just got full. I think you're supposed to put the gas in the tank, not on the floor. So I don't think he knows what he's doing. Yeah, now it looks better. He's putting it in the tank instead of on the ground. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but it's filling up pretty quick. And this thing's emptying out pretty quick, so we'll have this out in no time. Next thing you'll see is us sanding the tank, so let's get right to work then. Alrighty guys, so the top of the gas tank cleaned up pretty good. It's pretty clean, but there is some of this nasty sticky stuff. I don't know exactly what this junk is. I don't know who put it on the truck. It's really junk. Under here is a whole different story. The entire underneath of this thing is covered in this garbage. I don't know exactly what to do with it. I'll probably just end up painting over it because it will not come off. This stuff is so stuck. I tried using this thing here. This is not doing it. The wire wheel isn't doing it. So I think I'm just gonna have to end up painting over it. Not the best idea, but I mean, it'll work for what we got here. So that'll pretty much be it. Around here, it did clean up pretty good. I don't know how much better it could get. I'll try running over it with a DA, see if it does anything. If not, if it looks fine how it is, end up painting it, and then we'll get to work on the bed then. So that'll pretty much be it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and paint the tank. I got here a rust barrier prevention paint from just O'Reilly's. You don't need anything special to paint, just grab some junk paper and you're ready to paint. So let's go ahead and start painting. got the gas tank all painted up. It's looking pretty good. There are bugs in it, which we can't control. I don't know why. I guess they thought this was the coolest spot to land, so they landed in the paint. But as of now, we're gonna try to go ahead and take off those trim pieces. I got some fishing string here. Let's see if this stuff works. This stuff, the fishing string does not work, and this is like 17-pound line, so yeah, this stuff's trash. We'll have to go grab some of those trim remover tools. They have all different sorts of shapes and whatever. There's no way fishing string's getting that off. That was horrible. So let's go grab some of the tools. Alrighty guys, so I got here this other little spatula thing. Let's see if this thing works. I already kind of took this first one off, so just to see if it actually worked before I started. Yeah, this is working way better than the fish string. The fish string was absolute garbage. Alrighty guys, so there's one nut on there. I'm about to take it off right now. It's almost out. Alright, so it had one bolt and one screw and one nut in there. So I got this whole sides trim piece off. It was pretty easy. It was just all these little clips here. These little clips, I don't know what they're called, but they just stick right onto the inside of that trim, and the trim sticks right on it, so that way it doesn't move. And then on the very end here, it had a little bolt and a little washer on it, and that was it. Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna get these bottom pieces off here. I'm pretty sure there's just a few bolts on the underside, and it just pulls right off, so let's go ahead and do it. Alrighty guys, so we got this piece off here. It had just the 3 screws on it and it came right out. This last one kind of sucked because it came off this little clip here. It came out of here. It just clips right out. Let me see if I can grab it out. Now it doesn't want to come back out, but it came out and it just sat in there and it kept twisting, so I had to grab a pair of channel locks and undo it. So we got this piece off, and let's go ahead and get the rest of them out. Alrighty guys, with just a couple tools, and anybody has these tools here, just a 9mm and a channel lock. We pulled our trim pieces off. Some had screws, some just had these clips here, and we're gonna go ahead and remove all these clips as well, so that way we'll put them all in a bag, so that way all this is cleaned up, because eventually we're gonna need to pull the stuff off anyway, because we're gonna be repainting the entire bed, so that way it's all clean and nice. And that'll pretty much be it for this video guys, because it took us a lot longer than we expected to get the gas tank all prepped and get this all taken care of. Plus it's been raining a couple days here and there, and so that'll pretty much be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. We want to keep this channel growing, and I hope you guys like the content. Please share with your friends, and thank you guys so much for watching.